As we prepare to depart, we would like to draw your attention to some of the safety features of this Airbus A350 aircraft. Cabin bags are to be placed in the overhead lockers or beneath the seat in front of you. If you are seated...
seatbelts and welcome to Melbourne, where the local time is 2 minutes to the hour of 12. And as we approach the terminal, and for your safety, we ask that you remain comfortably seated with your seatbelt fastened. Before leaving us, please remember to check your seat pocket and overhead lockers for personal belongings once the seatbelt sign above you is switched off and we ask you to disembark. When opening overhead lockers, do take extra care as items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of Captain Chimilai Balendraka and your entire FJ935 team on board, we trust you've enjoyed your flight with Fiji Airways and our codeshare partner on this sector, Qantas Airways. We also extend our appreciation to our valued One World Emerald, Sapphire and Ruby members for choosing to fly with us. It was an absolute pleasure having you all on board, and we look forward to welcoming you back on your next flight. And it is here the team and I would like to say Vinakabakalevu and Nisa Mode.